Alright, so this time we're talking about the mature pine ovule, and it's kind of reminds me of a little nesting doll where we have layer and layer and layers. So first I'll kind of just set that general shape up of the ovule, and in the very middle, that planaria looking thing, that is our megagametophyte, and the big circle, that eye there, that's the archegonium with the egg inside. And then we're going to have different layers. So outside the megagametophyte, you will find the megaspore wall, and then outside that megaspore wall are we will find some remnants of our megasporangium. Remember, the megasporangium or nucellus has kind of been helping to feed our young developing gametophyte. And then we're going to have, after that megasporangium, we're going to have several layers of integument, and you might see some of that ovuliferous scale tissue as well, which, if you'll recall, is a complex tissue that does include the microsporophyll tissue. And if you're lucky enough to see, there might be some break in your tissue, and that break in the tissue, that canal, is the micropyle, through which the pollen would be sucked down into that pollen chamber. So I'm going to add some color, and then we'll go through the ploidy. Alright, so remember, meiosis takes place inside the megasporangium. So the megasporangium and outside of it will be diploid. So the megasporangium is diploid, the integument, and if you have some of the ovuliferous scale tissue, that's all diploid. Inside the megasporangium, meiosis has occurred, and then mitosis to form the multicellular megagametophyte. So that's haploid. The megaspore wall is haploid, the archegonium is haploid, and the egg. So everything inside the megasporangium would be haploid, everything outside of it, including itself, is diploid.